I'm sorry you guys had to hear my phone get call.
It's cool. We got entertainment. So, what you gonna go do next?
I'm about to fucking find another beer and drink myself to sleep. I have to go for
You wanna stay and watch the show?
the show.
It's broken.
Really?
Yeah, I gotta fix it.
Well, it's part of the show. It's fine.
Ooh.
What is this show about?
So let me put it on close.
Seeing how many layers she can put on
Yes.
my switch.
You can put pants on. So.
I got shorts.
You only got similar shirts on.
We really just love each other. And I love enough to put on my freshly clean clothes. Just you weird.
Damn.
So you hung up on her. You hung up on her.
No, she was just like, oh, okay, bye, right then. I don't care what your fucking feelings right now. No one was worried about mine when I walked the fuck out, so don't call
Pull
me
those
in the
shorts
morning.
up.
No. Don't worry about what I'm doing. Oh. I can't breathe. I don't want to put on no more. I don't want to do this anymore. And I'm done. This is how I go to the club. What's up, Annex? What's up, Castillas? What's up? It's ISIS. Let me be. Let me be box. Like, let me cut my legs.
You a hoe.